Hey nail addicts, today we're painting Stitch. For most of the design, I'm going to be using my Hella Cute liner brush, and the two colors that I chose for his body, Sugar High and Pool Party from my brand. First things first, you want to start by getting his head shape, which is like this strange looking half circle. And then at the top of his head, we're just going to add these 3 little hairs. After curing that part of his head, now we're going to add the eye areas using the lighter blue. I know that Stitch looks a little intimidating, but I promise if you guys just follow this step by step, you can do it. Now taking the lighter blue, we're going to add the bottom of his mouth down here. Now taking the lines down, we're going to go ahead and draw out his body, which is kind of shaped like a strange looking kidney bean, and go ahead and fill all that in. Now I'm taking my Genie in a Bottle liner gel, and I mixed a little bit of black into it for the nose color. For his nose, it's just like a widened upside down triangle. And now, honestly, I thought this was kind of the most complicated part. Just follow where I place the lines to create his arms. By the way, you guys, everything that you see me using in this video is from my website. The link is in the description below. Don't forget that you can always use code YouTube to save yourself some money at checkout. After drawing out where the arms are going, we're going to add his body, and then we're going to draw his little feet. You guys should have seen my Stitch a long time ago. It did not come out looking anything like this. But I promise, if you keep practicing, you're only going to get better. So just don't give up. Next up, we're going to draw his ear and go ahead and fill that in and add the other ear on the opposite side of his head. What you see me doing now is just adding the bottom part of his ear. We're going to fill all this in later. It'll make more sense later on. And now we're going to add his tiny little, creepy little fingernails. I took an orange gel polish and I just mixed it with white to create this tongue color. And now I'm going in with Laffy Taffy to fill in the ears. Now we're going to add some tropical flowers. I think these are called hibiscus. Hibiscus? I don't know how to say it. Hibiscus. We're going to add some hibiscus flowers and go ahead and matte this. Listen up, you guys. My trick for doing line work recently is just matting all the color and then going in with the line work if you can. I know a lot of you guys are more comfortable with sketching. I use sketching method in a lot of my videos, but this is just showing you a different way to do it. Something about when you matte the surface and then go in with line work, it makes your lines just like glide along with the brush. I don't know. It just makes the lines so much more crisp for me for some reason. I don't know. It's just my favorite hack recently. You guys should try it out. I promise you will love it. So what I'm doing right now is pretty self-explanatory. Just follow along. Take your time. Deep breaths. But don't forget, you need a really, really good black liner gel. And my baddest black is literally the best black I've ever used. I'm obsessed with it. It is so good. And if I didn't mention, the matte top coat is also mine too. And if you guys struggle with matte top coats, like smearing your black line work, you never have to worry about it with mine. I promise. It's amazing. And not only does it look very matte and beautiful, but your clients are going to come back weeks later with your matte still looking good, which is very important. Next, we're just filling in his eyes. Look at him. He's coming together. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. He's so cute. After we've drawn out his eye area, we're going to go ahead and add his little nostrils. Don't make them too big though. That's where a lot of people go wrong. They're really just little tiny on the sides. After doing some finishing touches, we're going to add his pupils, wipe it, and look at this, you guys. We just painted Stitch. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and it was helpful for you. Let me know in the comments what you want to see me paint next. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video soon. Bye, guys.